This is another fine time here in Club TWiT, as we're going to sit down with my man, Mr. Johnathan Bennett, to have a bit of a good old-fashioned AMA with you, our Club TWiT members. But the next question comes from Mashed Potato. This made me laugh. What shampoo and hair care products does Johnathan recommend?
Man, whatever works for you. I don't care what shampoo you use.
Previously on TWiT. All about Android.
I actually go hands-on with the OnePlus Nord N300 5G. This is a very affordable device, and you can kind of see, like, design-wise, it really takes some inspiration from the iPhone 14.
iOS Today.
I am joined by a special guest to talk to you about tips and tricks for the Apple TV. Stay tuned.
Windows Weekly.
Through some combination of hardware improvements on Qualcomm's side, and more important, I think the platform improvements that Microsoft has done, they have made Windows more viable on Macs. Windows on ARM is better. Well, that means that Windows can be better on a Mac, and it's better than it is on a Qualcomm PC.
Yeah, that's not good.
Crazy.
That's not
It's
good.
a weird problem.
TWiT. Technology isn't always pretty, but we are.